What's going on YouTube? 6'5" Rider here, coming back to you with another demo ride video. Today we're doing the 2023 Pan America Special 1250cc in that bright yellow color for 2023. You guys know how much I love the Pan America. If you've seen my last review video of this, you know how much I enjoyed it and how comfortable it was. So I'm hoping to have a similar experience as I did last year on this bike. I really do love it because I've been getting into the adventure category lately. It's been a new obsession of mine, so I've been looking at a lot of videos. Let's talk about specs really quickly. Got a 5.6 gallon tank. We got a 1250cc Revolution Max engine. Pricing starts at MSRP starts at $20,399 for the special Pan America Special. I'm excited for this one. It's probably going to be my last demo ride of the day, but I'm super excited for it. All right, I'll see you guys on the ride. Adaptive suspension, the adaptive air suspension on the Pan America Special. It's perfect for me. I have a 34-inch inseam, and look at that, I'm flat footing it. Turn it that way.
Oh, hey, thanks.
You're welcome. Oh man, it feels so good to be back on the Pan America. Look, I love it so much, and I love this yellow color right here. Yeah, I already talked about specs. I already talked about price, fuel capacity, but I'm just gonna enjoy this ride. Feels so good, you guys. This is one of my favorite Harleys. I swear to God. Anyway, we'll go ahead and talk about controls really quickly, talk a little bit about comfort, features, and then, you know, just my overall thoughts about it. You can probably already tell how I feel about it, but yeah. Of course, you got your adjustable levers, you got brakes on the right side, clutch on the left. But something different than most Harleys is you got your turn signals right here. Both turn signals are on one side. You got one over, you know, you got it to the left over here, kind of like a sports bike, right? Here's your left, here's your right, and you click it to kind of stop. This bike has also got heated grips. It's got cruise control. And it feels so good, you guys. It feels amazing. I am in love with this motorcycle. You got an adjustable windshield here. And what's cool is that you can actually do it while riding. See, you can bring it up, you can bring it down, which is pretty cool. And I'm in love with this. I really, really am. Suspension feels amazing. I'm getting a little bit of wind buffeting coming from the right, but it's not as bad as, you know, like a lot of other bikes. It's not as bad as my bike with the Memphis Shades fairing on it. The riding position is just amazing. As mentioned, I have a 34-inch inseam, and I am super comfortable on this thing. Just that rider triangle, you know, I have both arms extended down here. My feet are right underneath my hips, so that feels really good.
What are you looking for?
No, I'm just filming. I'm just
Waving your hand like, what are you looking for?
I'm just filming.
Oh.
So Yeah, sports mode definitely feels different. It's very like very torquey. Unfortunately, I can't speed a lot because compared to last year's ride, they were a little strict here today. It's funny, they actually kicked my friend Ben out of the ride earlier because he passed some other rider. Not cool, Harley. Not cool. He didn't pass him in a dangerous way or anything, but the group was all the way down, and he was like left behind because some dude was going super slow, and he just passed him, and they kind of like kicked him out. But anyway, back to the ride. I can tell you one thing, like, I am enjoying this. This is a fun ride. Sport mode is nice if you're probably like on the highway. What I'm gonna do is probably put it back to street mode, because street mode is like, well, you know, the type of riding that we're doing today. It just feels really, really good, you guys. The seat feels good. Last time on the 22 model, the seat was kind of hurting a little bit for some reason. I'm not sure why, but this seat feels good actually. I really want to stand, but I'm afraid the Harley guy behind me is gonna get pissed at it, so I'll probably do it near the end. It's the last bike I'm riding today anyway, so even if they kick me out of the ride, it'll be all right. We're gonna try sports mode again. Yeah, no, it feels really good. It feels amazing, you guys. I like it a lot. This is one of those bikes where you're like, yeah, I can buy this bike and just ride it every single day. Weirdly though, with sport mode, I am feeling a lot of vibration in my pegs, even though it has like that removable piece of rubber. But yeah, no, I feel super comfortable. Wonder if you can put some highway pegs on this to kind of like, just something down there to put my leg here for like a longer ride. I don't know. Maybe not. I'm sorry, I'm not saying a lot. It's just because I'm really enjoying this ride. If you guys, if any of you has ridden a Pan America, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Because to me, I think it's honestly one of my favorite Harleys. Like, I would say top 3 probably, as far as riding comfort, as far as like flickability, as far as everything, you know. It feels so good. Yeah, towards the end I'm gonna stand. I wanna see how it feels. Sport mode is totally different than street mode. Street mode is just so calm. Like, it's still responsive, but it's not as good as sport mode. Can I just ride this and go home? You guys can keep the street bob, I'll take this guy. No, I'm just kidding. I wonder if it, I know it has heated grips. I wonder if it has heated seat as well, because that seat feels kind of warm to me. I'm gonna take this bump, see how it feels. Feels good.
Well, what about that?
Amazing, bro.
Yeah?
So good. Also, one cool thing is this clutch is not, it's not hard at all. It's so soft. I do love this bike, yeah. Yeah, there's the heated grips. Let's put them on. There we go, right there. Here's the suspension. It's actually lowering right now because we're in traffic. I would benefit from some additional rise though, like get it taller a bit. Yeah, I would totally benefit from that. So if I were to ever get this bike, I would probably do that. It feels good standing. Like riding while standing feels really good. Feels good. I'm just kind of weirded out to do it all the way up, you know, like stand all the way, because I'm, you know, not used to doing that on motorcycles. But with this one, actually it gives you a lot of confidence to do it. Well, all right, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please do me a favor, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, for you know, for more videos, for more demo rides, for more everything, you know. And you know, thank you for tuning in and for watching.